Welcome to EduQuestZone. Let's begin the quiz. Question 76. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic associations with plant roots. True or false? True. Question 77. The phloem transports only water in plants. True or false? False. Question 78. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary muscle movements. True or false? True. Question 79. In prokaryotic cells, DNA is present inside a membrane-bound nucleus. True or false? False. Question 80. The kidney is the main excretory organ in humans. True or false? True. Question 81. The lac operon in E. coli is an example of a repressible operon. True or false? True. Question 82. Bacteria reproduce only by binary fission. True or false? True. Question 83. The Golgi apparatus is involved in modification, sorting, and packaging of proteins. True or false? True. Question 84. In humans, the ovary produces both eggs and hormones. True or false? True. Question 85. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. True or false? True. Question 86. Microtubules are part of the cytoskeleton in eukaryotic cells. True or false? True. Question 87. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is reduced to glucose. True or false? True. Question 88. Pepsin is an enzyme that digests carbohydrates in the stomach. True or false? False. Question 89. The xylem consists of tracheids and vessel elements. True or false? True. Question 90. Blood plasma is primarily composed of water. True or false? True. Question 91. Plasmodesmata are channels that connect plant cells. True or false? True. Question 92. The human skeleton consists of both axial and appendicular parts. True or false? True. Question 93. The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. True or false? True. Question 94. The pharynx is part of both the digestive and respiratory systems. True or false? True. Question 95. In humans, the small intestine is longer than the large intestine. True or false? True. Question 96. In DNA, adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. True or false? True. Question 97. The nervous system is divided into central and peripheral parts. True or false? True. Question 98. Enzymes are consumed in the reactions they catalyze. True or false? False. Question 99. The cell wall is present in both plant and animal cells. True or false? False. Question 100. The blood-brain barrier protects the brain from harmful substances in the blood. True or false? True. Question 101. The human skeletal muscle is voluntary and striated. True or false? True. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.